If you want to get Veo 3.1 for free, I have good news for you because Google is currently giving a 12-month Veo 3.1 student subscription, and the best part is it's not limited to a few countries anymore. You can claim it from anywhere in the world. In this video, I'll show you the easiest and proven method to pass the student verification every time. I'll also share a quick bonus tip at the end that many people miss. So, watch till the end. Before starting this, here is an important rule to follow. Use a fresh browser. Don't try this with a browser or email where you've already claimed the offer before. It won't work. Now make sure to follow all of these steps very carefully. Step 1. Open the Chrome browser and search Google AI Student Plan. Click on the first link. You'll land on the student plan page. This page is in another language, so I will translate it into English. Here you see a Get an Offer button. Click on it. Step 2. Click on Verify Eligibility and wait a few seconds. A form will open where you enter your student details. Step 3. Fill the form carefully. Enter your country. Then choose the institute where you study. Type your name and date of birth exactly as they appear on your documents. Here you provide that email on which you are activating the student plan. Again, check your details. After all, click on Verify Student. Step 4. Upload your proof and submit. Now here you provide your student document that prove that you are actually a student. You can upload a photo of your student card, fee voucher of your enrollment, or any receipt that shows your student proof. I am uploading my university card where I study, and then click on Submit. The system will create a Sheer ID check to confirm your student status. If you already have a student card, you can use it, but even if you are not a student and don't have any card, don't worry, I will share in a while how to tackle this. It will take some time to verify your documents. The difficult step is done. We are successfully verified. Now, click on Google.ai Pro and proceed to the next step. Here, you need to add your credit card. You can use any Master and Visa card for this. I have entered all my credit details, it was accepted, and now it's asking me to subscribe. Yes, I have subscribed to it. Congratulations, we have unlocked the 12-month free plan, and there will be no deduction from your card for 12 months. And if you want to cancel this, you can cancel this anytime. Here is the bonus to get verified. You can find these online on Google, Facebook, or any other social platform. Basically, you need a template where you can make changes. Now to edit this and make our own, we will be using rev.ai image editor. So for example, here is one example and I will update it. So just upload the picture and use this prompt. You can modify this prompt according to your preference, but this one works for me. So after many tries now, this looks perfect. Now let's go ahead to the Flow AI to show you that it actually works. See that we have got 1,000 free credits in Flow AI. I tried the simple prompt of a news reporter interviewing an alien in the middle of the desert. Click on Submit.
What message do you have for the people of Earth regarding your arrival?
We come in peace. We are here to help guide your evolution.
It generates the output and you can see it perfectly working. I'm not sharing any fake method. This is genuine and comes from Google's student program. I don't know how long the offer will last, so if you qualify, try it now. And if you like this type of AI content and want to stay updated, make sure to hit subscribe and I will come up with more awesome AI tutorials.